How to switch between different Temu accounts. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Temu app on your device. If not, you can download this app easily from the App Store or Play Store, then launch it and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land to this kind of interface. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're on the U page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Switch Accounts. Now from here, you are able to switch between different Temu accounts. Click on the option of Add Account. Now go ahead and type in the credentials of the Temu account that you're going to add to this Temu app. Click on Continue. Now type in the password. After you are done, click on Sign In. And just for that, you will be switched to another account. So this way you can easily switch between different Temu accounts. If you want to log in back to the old account, click on the settings icon again. After you're on the settings page, click on Switch Accounts and then select the another account. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.